This lecture is the introduction to the heart. So to begin with, the heart is a muscle. And it is used to pump blood to and from the lungs and to and from the rest of the body. So the heart has 4 chambers. Two upper chambers that are called the atria. The singular to that then is atrium. And then 2 lower chambers, and these are known as the ventricles. So you have the 2 upper chambers, the right and left atria, and then you have the 2 lower chambers, the right and left ventricles. And what I'm going to do now is just quickly put on the board the kind of diagram that I will be using to show you things that happen in the heart. And you need to understand that this diagram is not meant to look like the heart. It is simply diagrammatic of things going on in the heart. So we have the 4 chambers, and by the way, blood flows in one direction through the heart. So basically, blood always goes forward through the heart. Now, the way to think of this is, remember, you are looking at this person. So therefore, you're looking at me. This is my right. So this is the right side of the heart, and this is the left side of the heart. And I draw hearts like this. So we have the 2 atria side by side like this, and we have the 2 ventricles down below like this. And the atria do indeed have thinner walls than the ventricles. So what you need to remember here is that all around here I'm going to be using red here just to indicate muscle. So the point is all of this is muscle. Now in reality, atria are small. They can almost be hard to find sometimes. So I'm drawing them far out of proportion to how they look in real life. And the ventricles, on the other hand, do have much thicker walls than the atria. So there's a lot of muscle here in order to really pump that blood. So I'm just quickly filling in with red where the muscular walls are so that you get a better sense of the chambers. through which blood flows. So that pink then is the muscle, and here we have the two atria. So this chamber then, this is the right atrium, and this then is the left atrium. And this, the interior, the chamber then, this is the left ventricle. And this then is the right ventricle. So the two upper chambers, the two atria with the thinner walls, the two lower chambers, the two ventricles with the thicker muscular walls. And that is it for this introduction.